Sí. Ah, ok.
Well, the spirits
Estamos
are very
todos.
high. To start the season with a win is the very best medicine, really, and to get 2 wins in a row really would make them look ahead with great optimism.
Yeah, I mean, it would be laying down a marker so early on in the season. 2 wins out of 2. It's there for them here, I think.
Molina. John. Rojas. John. And here's Bocanegra. Rojas.
Well, that's over the top of the defender and one to chase. And
Bueno.
they get it away.
Trying to get behind the defenders to get in a good cross.
Bien, Osmar.
Well, it is a chance to relieve some of the pressure here
Seguí,
by simply
seguí acá atrás.
having the ball.
Esa mierda te está siguiendo.
Got to
Bueno,
pass the
ya
ball a
sabemos
bit
que no
better
vamos
than
con
this
esos
if they're going to
pases.
make progress, giving it straight away. Threads it through. Real chance.
Bien.
He put it away brilliantly. That kind of chance has come to him so early in the game, but I have to say,
No fue yo,
he
fue
reacted
él, fue él.
perfectly. Really sharp right from the off. And
Buena,
they've taken
buena,
the
buena,
lead here.
vamos.
And that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here. John.
Just a mistake, really. He's not even asked too much of the opponent. It's just a mishit pass.
Bien, extra.
Well, here's an opportunity with the ball over the top.
Able to cut that out with some sharp movement.
Buena, Julio.
And here we've got
No.
a free kick given by the referee. Oh, well played the referee.
Dale, dale, dale.
He's gone back to the
Cuidado,
offense that
Eli, cuidado,
deserved
te
the ball. He
expulsan
didn't
que no
want to stop
puede
the
jugar
play
el
at the
otro.
time, and he's quite entitled to do what he's doing here.
Yeah, I think we all thought he was going to go back, but good to see advantage being played.
Molina. John.
Maybe
Uy.
just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition.
He wants to play on the shoulder of the last defender. He's just got to get it right. It's all about timing. And it comes to Bocanegra.
Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. Cleared away by the defender.
Turnover there that we didn't expect.
It's an excellent cross. It's not really away. Poor clearance. Good work by the
¿Qué
goalkeeper.
te dio dengue, Julio?
Padawin.
Good work, really, to
Cuidado,
read the
Belly.
intention of the pass.
Ay,
Big
Dios
decision for
mío.
the referee. He's already booked this player.
Sacó a Tiger, mira. Sacó a Tiger. Ah, no, ahí está.
And it comes to Bocanegra.
Allá está arriba.
Should be.
¡No!
They would be a lot more comfortable if they were 2 in front, and they really could have
Buena,
been.
buena, 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 buena.
Back on that
Tú
with
ya
a bit
acá
of
atrás.
regret, because that was a great chance to extend the lead, wasn't it?
Able to
Ah.
make a good interception.
Proper tackle that. They might have
Acá
played
atrás,
him in here.
loco. Belly, vos no te
This is
salgas a
good
la banda,
opportunity
Belly.
to put the ball into the penalty area now.
Por eso, pero vos
Very
puedes
good
no
chance.
irte. Vos puedes ponerle que
If you
se
look
vaya
at the
para...
coaching manual,
Shot on. Oh, he's way off target.
Bien ejecutivo.
Saw the pass coming and got there first.
Trying to find a way through here, probing away. Cut out the pass. It goes out wide again. Supporting player alongside.
Mierda, por idiota. Sí, hombre.
Trying to thread a pass through, but not successful. Bit of space for him. Now out on the wing. He's reached
Buena,
it,
buena, buena.
it with a save. Brilliant. Well, he's got the ball there in the defensive zone, but it's a free kick here in a scoring position. There's no doubt about that.
Cuidado, Belly.
Well, look at him, Martin. I've seen him do some...
Belly, quítate ahí,
damage
Belly,
from this kind of
quítate ahí,
distance.
quítate ahí, andate adelante, andate adelante. Sí, sí, que se vaya Belly. Dale, aquí estoy yo ya.
Has a go here. Goalkeeper can only parry it out. Now he can cross it. And they get it away.
Belly, 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 a mí. A mí, a mí, a
It's a
mí.
very good interception. The pass threaded through. How
No.
did he save that? The referee went straight away
Penal.
into the spot. Penalty kick.
Oh, was the contact? Did he dive? Love to see the replay.
¿Quién metió el primer gol?
Oh, what
Buena.
about that? It's an own goal.
Pero fue autogol, Belly. Fue autogol. Fue autogol.
Well, it is a goal. It is an own goal.
Fue
I don't think
autogol.
there's much doubt about that, Alan.
No, none at all. You're in those
Le estoy
positions so often, and
diciendo.
sometimes it does go wrong.
That could be a very costly own goal because they're trailing to
Sí.
it now. And the referee coming in to intervene here. Anselmo Bello. Well, that's a yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think there's any choice there from the ref.
To ooze around. Headed it
Uy.
well, just wide.
Well, not far wide at all. Next time, maybe he'll bury that.
Sin falta, Belly.
Goalkeeper on his toes, off his line, and he can kick it away.
Bien, Evander.
Neither side able to dwell on the ball for very long here.
¿Qué?
And the referee is blown for half-time.
Fucking
It's
árbitro,
2-0
loco.
here.
Este juego, fíjate que este juego, loco, ya lo ganábamos porque ese mae Wario no está inscrito, loco. Pero vale verga, yo prefiero los goles. Ay, Julio, metete un supositorio, puta.
And here we go, the referee's blown his whistle, and we're off for the second half.
No hagas ni un, digo.
Now Tucker.
Buena,
The
Tiger.
intentions of the opposition there to... This could be a chance. He can cut it back now. Great goalkeeper, great save.
Well, he shouldn't have had a prayer there, but he's so agile, this keeper.
Well, that'll be a throw. John. Rojas.
Uy,
This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. Played down the wing,
Serra.
keeping the wide attack going.
uy.
Very straightforward save for the goalkeeper.
And they're looking good when they get the ball out
Tiger.
wide, as they've done here.
Bien. Oh.
Tackle here. Trying to get it wide, and it was a good idea, but he couldn't find his supporting player.
Está bien, está bien.
So now a goal kick to come. Now they're looking to get forward from this position. And the keeper kicks it away. Supporting player alongside. On the move and able to cut out the pass.
Está bien, Catra, bien.
Good challenge here.
Camión, Julio. Uy, sin falta, sin falta.
Shot on.
Buena,
Keeper
Ariel.
might be needed again. He didn't hang on to the ball.
Still can't believe that didn't go in. Keeper, what a stop.
Cleared away by the defender. And it's been an hour of very good football here. We've still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well. Pado in. No doubt about that. Free kick.
Cuidado, Eli, cuidado la falta. Aquí, 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 Tiger, Tiger, a mí. Bien. Va, Eli.
Slipping it through.
Bien, hermano, golazo.
What a lovely deft finish that was. Excellent for his team.
Pues eso es lo que yo te he dicho siempre. Si nosotros hacemos esa mierda, cuando los laterales se abren, que es el espacio ahí para los delanteros.
I have to say it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals. Got possession. They might just catch the opposition moving out. They can break here.
Efra.
Silva. Real good contest between these two as they jostle for possession. It's a very good interception.
Uy, 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 uy. Bueno.
Proper tackle that. Molina. Plenty of space out wide, and they're going to use it. Well, here's an opportunity with the ball over the top. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it. Still 20 minutes to go. Throw in to come. And it comes to Bocanegra. Deflected out for a throw.
Tuya, Tiger.
And that's one for the goalkeeper, I think. Played it back to him.
Bien, Julio. Para atrás, Julio. Buena.
Well, the player's broken down now. No nonsense defending from him. They might have played him in
Efra.
here.
Va, Efra, correla.
Real chance. Whipped in from the wide area. Brilliant defending.
Penal.
Yes, it's a penalty again.
Well, it was a bit of a rash challenge in the box, and he can have no complaints there.
Dásela, Tiger, dásela, Tiger. No!
Good try. It was the post, though.
Efraín, no está.
Rojas. And shoots.
Aquí. Oh.
Good block. Well, a corner to come because of that deflection.
Dámelo. Ah, bueno, Catra sabe cómo es, sabe cómo.
Corner played into the middle. Delivered into the box. Cleared away by the defender. Well, they line up for the corner. Corner swung in. Cleared away, well
Aquí,
away
Efra.
from goal.
Well, that's his best save, probably, of the day. We haven't quite seen his A game, have we, up to this point?
No, redeemed himself a
Sí,
little bit there.
pero
He's,
bueno, estamos...
had butterfingers quite often.
Sí, quedó un partido más. Buena.
Guided through. He's in. Goalkeeper can only parry. And here's
Pase, Beli.
the team is lining up for the corner.
Julio, ahí pues, da el pase, sí, da el pase. Da el pase, vos, da el pase.
He's put in the corner. No need back across goal.
Bien.
Very well won tackle, well up the pitch as well. The shot's on. He got in the way.
Tranquilo, tranquilo, Tiger, tranquilo.
Getting set at the corner. In goes the corner. Defended well.
Venga, Vander.
An incisive pass. Chance for the cross.
Bien.
Got it away from the danger, no problem. Roberts. They've got the ball back, the interceptor got it for them. They can spread the play now. Well, here we'll see what they can manage from the corner.
Pero ¿a dónde lo querés, Julio?
Corner played in. Well, the player's broken down now. Safety first there. Well, there's going to be 3 minutes added on.
Cuidado, Julio, cuidado. Buena.
Attacking now.
Chilena, dice el sinvergüenza. Buena, buena, Osmar.
That well and intercepted.
Catra, 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 seguila.